So we're going to title this video Seville in the Rain. Beautiful building, isn't it? And so you can see everyone's got an umbrella because it's raining. It's about the 4th of December and it's 2023. So if you think you're coming to Seville in November, December for good weather, well, you do get good weather. Well, it also rains. I think it's been raining off and on for 3 days. But it's still raining now. So they're big on Christmas, you know, being a Christian country. So there it is. Our Lord and the 3 wise men who lost their way. So normally this area is crowded with people, but as the Beatles once sang, when the rain comes, they run and hide their heads. They might as well be dead. But when the sun shines, they slip into the shade and drink their lemonade. So you can see the Christmas lights are up there. Obviously not on because it's daytime. This is the metro system or tram system. And you've got some oranges there on the trees. It's like a souvenir shop. Most of this shite is bought came from China, I think. A lot of these shops aren't actually Chinese, which they're overpriced, but it's a bit like your local shop in England. That's how they make the money, overcharging you, but that's life, isn't it? So there's Five Guys, which is, I think it's American. I think they do burgers and stuff. I've never actually been in there. Well, they do milkshakes. So these people with the umbrellas there, they're actually queuing up to buy lottery tickets, and they seem to queue up day and night. I don't know why. I mean, can't you do these things online? Is it necessary to go to maybe they had a winner in this place or something, I don't know, but there's always a queue. So as I say, there's always a queue. And the reason I'm walking in the rain, sound like a song, is because I'm doing a dummy run. Tomorrow I'm going to Seville Airport, and from where I'm staying I'm timing how long it takes me to get there, and quite often I get lost. So you know, it depends how long it takes me to get to the bus stop. It depends what time I get up in the morning, because you have to be there probably an hour and a half before the flight goes. So, and it's now 35 minutes to the airport, so that's why I'm doing a dummy run to the bus stop. Well, there's a big business there in umbrellas. In Rome you get guys out there, so take the words out of him now. There's a guy selling umbrellas, you know. There he is, selling umbrellas. I was going to say, why is nobody selling umbrellas, but suddenly a guy appears. And they all seem to have umbrellas. I mean, I don't have an umbrella, but they all seem to have umbrellas. Definitely money to be made there flogging umbrellas. The few who haven't got them. Some doorway down there.
Oh, sure.
And somebody's home there actually, they're sleeping there. They're on asleep. So there's another doorway. This is the entrance to the cathedral, well, part of it, you know. It's a big building. So they are Vodafone SIM card. You can buy pay-as-you-go SIM card. It's about €20 for 50 gig of data. Maybe, don't quote me on that. It's quite expensive if you go roaming with your own company, say you're from England or Ireland or wherever you're from. It's expensive, so it may be cheaper to get a SIM card here. But then if someone phones you, you can't answer because your SIM card's not in the phone. So there's like your Christmas shop. I did a video on that. That's mostly religious statues. You can see how wet the ground is. This is actually a post office. Never seen so many umbrellas in my life. See these old films of England, London, you know, and the guy in a bowler hat, and they always have an umbrella. There's a money exchange. Didn't Jesus have a problem with them? There's Starbucks, I think it is. I can't see any sign, but I just think it's Starbucks. You know, they have like a symbol, and well, it's not Starbucks, but it's something similar. So there's another place of lottery tickets. Why not? There's no queue there. And the one I showed you earlier on, they had a massive queue. Crazy. I always like the routes where they go out, you know. So across the road you got a Burger King there. Burger King. They were established in 1954. It says on most of the shops, you know, or so-called restaurants. There's not a grey area at restaurants, you know. Fast food. I mean, these places like McDonald's and Burger King, they're not cheap anymore. They're quite expensive, you know. I think at one time they were cheap, but not anymore, you know. Your dollar burger's gone. More like your $5 burger now. There it is. So this is Christmas, and what have you done? Another year older, and a new one just begun. I'm so happy Christmas. The black and white, the yellow and red ones, and I'm talking shite. So there it is, the Christmas. So look at the way the ground's going there. Talk about subsidence. I don't know if you can see that. The ground's all over the shed. Even the horses have got, well, the part where the people sit is covered up. So I shouldn't imagine getting much business today. So I was supposed to be timing this, how long it took me to get here, but I don't know. Obviously I haven't filmed all the way. So there's the landmark I was looking for. They are more lottery tickets. And there's an underground there. So the transport links are quite good here. I say, bring your own umbrella. It's a good job for somebody selling umbrellas. Not everyone has an umbrella like me. Not that I'd buy an umbrella. The only time I bought an umbrella was when I was in Porto in Portugal. It was in November, I think. It never stopped raining. So you can get a bus, an open top bus, you know, the general one that goes around the city, and hop on and hop off. And so there it is. Let's see if you can guess. I'm loving it. Yeah. So that one's got a pattern jacket on there. That seems a very popular pattern. That makes sense. So I'm going to say thanks for watching. I'm leaving you from a very wet Seville in Spain. So thanks for watching, and perhaps you'll put a like for me. Cheers.